Number 5, let's do the math. Find the length of AB. That's this distance straight across, makes a segment, to the nearest hundredths centimeter. So that's point something something. That's 2 decimal places. All measurements are in centimeters, but the figures may be drawn into different scales. Show how to find the length. Alright, so let's find this diagonal across here. I'm going to be doing the legs squared, added together, to get the diagonal, which we'll call c squared. So that would be 225 plus 400 equals c squared. We'll add these two together, so that'll be 625 equals c squared. We need to take the square root. We'll take the square root. Let's type that in real quick. So the square root of 625 is 25. 25 equals C. So that I know AB equals 25 centimeters. And I didn't have to round that to 2/100ths of a decimal because there was no decimals. Over and out.